Hi friends, this video shows how to connect to mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. In mobile phone, let me go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then tap on connection and sharing. Tap on personal hotspot or mobile hotspot. Turn on personal hotspot. Tap here. Turn on. And here you can see the name of the personal hotspot, mobile Wi-Fi and password. If you want to change, you can tap here. You can change name and password. Okay, so now I have created personal hotspot. Next I am going to connect to this personal hotspot. In TV, go to settings. Set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Next we need to turn on Wi-Fi. And below that you would be able to see nearby Wi-Fi networks. And here you can see mobile Wi-Fi. This is the name of the personal hotspot or mobile hotspot that I created in the mobile phone. Select mobile Wi-Fi. Enter the password. So here let me enter the password. Then submit. See, it's connected. So this way we can connect to mobile hotspot or personal hotspot and use the internet. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.